If g of x equals the integral from 2 to x of 3t squared minus 4t dt, what is g prime of x? Well, the fundamental theorem of calculus states that a capital G of x would equal the integral of whatever this is. I guess we can call it from a to x of f of t dt. So that's what this is. Now, if this is g of x, if we're calling it lowercase g of x, then fine, I'll call it lowercase g of x, whatever. But taking the derivative of it essentially has me take away the integral. And what I'm going to be left with is I'm going to be left with, instead of 2 to x, I'm going to be left with the exact equation that I started out with, but with x's instead. That guy right there. So the answer is going to be A. Fundamental theorem of calculus. Kind of useless, but it's there.